Hello. Did you guys send it on WhatsApp?
Yes.
ما تكتبش اسمي.
Okay, let me see.
يلا. Hello.
Hello, hi. Who is this? All right, now guys, I will ask you about last time conversations. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Yusuf Walid, what do you like doing?
I like doing
غير doing. I like على طول حاجة. Yeah. Mhm.
I
I like
like skiing.
Very good. And what are you good at?
I am good at snowboard.
Very good. نراجع على presentations اللي هو الباراجراف اللي هو Hi everyone, my name is كذا, my friend like كذا. Okay? Because I will ask you to do it. Okay, Rinad, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do you like doing?
I like doing.
What are you doing? I like كذا على طول.
I like playing basketball.
Interesting. And what are you good at?
ممكن تعيدي السؤال يا مس؟
Sure. What are you good at?
Are you good at?
Mm-hmm. I am good at.
I am good at skating.
Hey, Muhammad, what do you like doing?
ممكن I like to swim.
I like swimming. And what are you good at?
I'm good at swim.
Okay. And Yusuf, Sam, are you there? Can you hear me? مين داخل باسم سالي محمد؟
Me.
أيوة، مين ده اسمه إيه؟
اسمه زين.
Oh, Zain, how are you? Long time no see. Where are you? طيب بقالك حصتين. اوكي. طيب بصي يا زين، انا بسألهم في الاخرين الحصص اللي فاتت فايتس اوكي. يعني اسمعوا والمرة الجاية هبقى اسألك فيه. Alright, حسام
إن شاء الله.
Hello, hello. Hi, is this Yusuf Hassan? Can you hear me? Yusuf. Hello.
مش يوسف تتلاقيه عامل ميوت.
طيب it's okay. خلاص guys, let's start. We will play a game until you finish.
Miss Sarah.
Hi Yusuf, how are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Yusuf? Virtual background. Okay, Yusuf Hussam.
Hi, Miss Sarah.
Hi, darling. How are you? Okay, I will ask you some questions. What do you like doing?
You.
Hi. What do you like doing, Yusuf?
I can't hear you.
Okay, leave the meeting and join again. يعني سامعني دلوقتي طيب? Can you hear me? طب guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We can hear
Thank
you.
Yusuf. What do you like doing? It's quickly عشان you start the game. طيب صلح الصوت وتعالى. اوكي مستنيينك. Alright guys, let's play this game. What does she look like? She has long curly hair, or she has short wavy hair. She has short curly hair ولا she has long wavy hair? Which one do you think? Yusuf, what?
Long hair. She has
B?
she has long hair.
يعني A ولا B ولا C ولا D?
دي
A?
دي هي مس
دي
دي
Okay. 1 second عشان هو معلق. اوكي اوكي اشتغل اهو. A ولا D؟
ايه
دي 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 دي
Yes, it's D. She has long wavy hair. Okay, طيب next question for Rinad. What does she look like, Rinad? She has short fair hair ولا she has long brown hair? She has short brown hair ولا she has
She
long
has short brown hair.
number C, letter C?
Yeah. Letter C.
Ooh, very good. Okay. طيب محمد. Next.
next
All right. Okay, what does he look like? He has a beard? Well, he has straight hair. He has big eyes. Or
he has a beard.
he has a beard. This is a beard.
C.
Good. Okay. Zain, you are next. Be ready. Okay, we won the 200. 200. Eyes on the prize. Huh? Okay, where is the prize? Where is the 200?
Miss Sarah.
Yeah.
Hi, Miss Sarah.
Hello, Yusuf. How are you?
هو احنا بنعمل ايه دلوقتي؟
We are playing a
الأخيرة
game.
اللي تحت.
Can you hear me?
انا بسمعك.
Yes, this is the 200. Okay, good job. Okay. بقينا كام دلوقتي؟ Oh, بقينا 400. This is great. Yes. Okay, Zain, are you ready? يلا. What does he
Yes.
look like? He has a beard ولا he has a mustache? He has a beard ولا he has a mustache? ممكن ما نرسمش على الشاشة؟
أنا ما أعرفهمش هما الاتنين.
طيب I will take the...
هختار نمبر ايه.
طب ركز يا زين وبص على الكاميرا عندي. He has a beard or a mustache.
مستاش.
Mustache.
اللي هي سي.
Yes. برافو. Well done.
ميس
وبعدين بقى قلنا ما
ميس
حدش
سارة.
يلعب بالقلم.
ميس سارة.
أنا أصلا
مش شايفة.
خلاص
واحنا
أيوة.
بنعمل ايه دلوقتي؟
احنا بنحل يا يوسف. اوكي احنا بنحاول نجس الإجابات. احنا في اللعبة دي
ماشي أنا
اللي
ممكن.
بيجيب درجات أعلى بنكسب في الآخر. فاحنا بنحاول نجيب بوينتس عالية.
ها؟
صوتك بعيد يا يوسف.
What?
صوتك بعيد. اوكي يبقى he has
كده كويس ميس؟
yes. now
كده
it's
كويس يا ميس.
yes كده كويس. اوكي،
ماشي.
دلوقتي احنا بنحاول نجيب بوينتس عالية علشان نكسب. يبقى احنا عرفنا ان دي اسمها ايه؟ beard and this is ها
mustache.
mustache. Good. You guys know eyes and hair, right? Yes. طبعا هي عمالة تعلق. job. اوكي. ايه ده قفلت؟ طيب مفيش مشكلة. I will send it to you guys.
What?
I will send this game to you.
Yes. On chat or WhatsApp?
Both. Chat and WhatsApp. We'll send it here first. In the chat. And now I will send it on WhatsApp.
I get it. I get it.
You got it? Okay. Can you guys check the chat in here?
Yes, I get it.
Good. Rinada and Muhammad, did you get it?
What does she look like? She has a headscarf.
Yes, sweetie. Did you get it? طيب
مش عارفة أجيبها أصلا.
it's okay. تعرفي من الزوم تحت في حاجات تعرفي تجيبي حتة تشات CHAT.
لقيتها.
لقيتيها؟ يس، هتلاقي فيها عليها لون أحمر كده، دوسي عليها هتلاقي اللينك، دوسي على اللينك.
ميس أنا مش عارف أجيبها.
طيب انت فاتح جهاز ايه؟
إيه؟
What does he look
فاتح تليفون،
like?
تابلت، فاتح جهاز ايه؟
فتح تليفون.
اوكي، بص تحت كده عند الميكروفون والحاجات دي فيها شات CHAT.
دوست عليه.
هتلاقي
أيوه أهي.
دوس عليه بقى.
ماشي أنا ضغطت عليه
What does
دلوقتي.
he look like? Blonde لا.
معاك؟
Long لا. He has black hair.
فتح؟
فتح.
Good. طيب Rinad and Muhammad, did you find it? طيب زين, did you find it? لقيتها؟
لقيت skip. What does she look like? She has short fair hair ولا she has long. مش long. She has short brown hair.
Did anyone finish? By the way guys, you have to be fast.
Get
عشان
ready.
التايم ده بيخلص. Yeah.
What does he look like? He has a mustache. Question 6. What does she look like? She has yellow shirt. She small eyes. She has brown eyes. Is she small eyes or brown?
He tells you the correct answer by the end.
Yes. Bonus round.
Yeah.
Then.
Can you guys get it? Can you guys do 200? You get it after 3.
437.
10 points.
553.
Excellent. Okay, let's see who gets the highest
وأنا
score.
معايا كم نقطة؟ 1108. أنا
Awesome.
معايا 1108 ولسه
Wow,
في
really?
question 7.
Amazing.
question 7